One of the really cool things you'll find here at the Urby in Dallas, Texas, is this Meteor. By the way, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So it's gonna look like this. This is a really, really fun. It's right on the first floor. It's literally connected to the building. It's in the middle of both buildings. I just wanna kind of show this off to you. Super fun area. You can get breakfast, lunch, wine, coffee, some great sandwiches. There looks like some pastries over there. There's a lot of fun stuff you can get. People love this area because you can see people are studying. It's a fun area. It's kind of like an extended amenity of the Urby. Like, people just love it. This is one of the things I've heard from my clients is how easy it is to connect with people at the Urby. And you can see, wow, look at this great white wine, sparkling. This is just a really, really fun area. And man, this is the Urby. So it's all a part of here. You don't have to purchase anything, but you've got a lot of space here, a lot of just fun spaces you can just work from. And champagne, that's really cool. But yeah, this is just a really fun part of the Urby and just experiencing it here. And then there's the door to the north part of the Urby. Hey, another great part of the Urby. I love seeing this, and I love capturing it for you on video. Hey, if you want more information about living at the Urby and connecting with people in Dallas, send me a text. Just say, hey, Grant, I want to get some more information. Maybe set up a virtual tour. I'll take care of with that right away.